Assalamu alaikum 3 class. Today's topic is ears. So start the reading. Ears are the parts of your body that take in sounds and enable you to hear the world around you. Students, you know that in daily life we listen many voices. These voices are listenable with the help of our ears. Clear that? Now, first of all, we discuss the structure of ear. Then we come to our reading. So, see, I have made the diagram. This is the ear, and this is the whole structure of ear. You know that our ear has three parts: the outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. They all have their own functions. First of all, outer ear, बैरूनी कान का बाहर वाला हिस्सा. Clear? The outer ear collects sound as it passes by the ear. Students, when any sound waves passes through the ear, the outer ear, this outer ear collect the sound waves and then it passes through the middle ear. सबसे पहले जो बाहर से आवाज़ें हमें आती हैं वो हमारे आउटर ईयर में, and then the sound then make its way to the middle ear. This is the middle ear. Clear that? This area is the middle ear, where it hits the eardrum that turns the sound in vibrations. आउटर ईयर से जो साउंड वेव्स हैं, साउंड की वेव्स हैं, वो मिडल ईयर के पास जाती हैं और वहाँ पे जो ईयर ड्रम होता है उसके साथ जैसे ही वो टकराती हैं तो वो वाइब्रेशंस बन जाती हैं. क्लियर दैट? देन द मिडल ईयर passes these waves to the inner ear. The function of inner ear is that these vibrations move in inner ear where they are sent to brain and our brain senses the sound again. Clear that? जब मिडल ईयर से साउंड की जो वेव्स हैं वो इनर ईयर में जाती हैं, वाइब्रेशंस जो है इनर ईयर में जाती हैं, तो वो इनर ईयर इन साउंड वेव्स को ब्रेन तक लेके जाता है और हमारा ब्रेन फौरन से उसको सेंस करता है और उसको दोबारा से साउंड में कन्वर्ट कर देता है. क्लियर दैट? नाउ come to your book. They also help you to balance. Students, our ear help us to balance. How? Look at here. There in inner ear there are three flute pipes. Clear that? These tubes are present in your inner ear which help us in balance. 1, 2 and 3. Clear that? Now, the three smallest bones in the human body are in the ear. We have three most smallest bones that are also present in human ear. That is hammer, anvil and stirrup. This is the hammer, this one is anvil and this one is stirrup. Clear that? These are the hammer, the anvil and the stirrup. Clear, students? Now come to the partition of the ear. The human ear has three main sections: the outer ear, the middle ear and the inner ear that I have told you. The outer ear collects the sound as it passes by the ear. This sound then makes its ways into the middle ear where it hits the eardrum. The eardrum turns the sound into vibrations. I have cleared you. Now, these vibrations move into the inner ear where they are sent to the brain and the brain then makes sense of the sounds. Now, clear that? Now, did you know your ears continue to hear sounds even when you are asleep? This is so that your body can react if it senses danger. You know that we always think that we are Sleeping, we can hear the voices. This is because our brain works out even while sleeping. Here students, now come to the questions. How does the brain help you to hear? Question number 2. What are the different sections of the human ear? What does each section do? Now pick up your notes and check question number 9. Here question number 9 is given. How does the brain help you to hear? Answer is here. Next one, question number 10. What are the different sections of human ear? Answer is given here. Now question number 11 is write the bones of human ear. Question number 12. Write the function of 3 sections of ear. You know that three sections: outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. Write their functions. Students, you will learn these questions and read the passage carefully. Thank you.